Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at this Porsche 992 GT3 from 2022. This model is made by Maisto at the 1/18 scale and has functional doors and front trunk, and also we have steering that is function and suspension. This model is metallic. Let's start in the front. Pretty decent looking for a Maisto. The headlights look pretty good. I like this decal with the Porsche logo and also the Porsche logo in the front as well. One fun thing, I don't know if it's all the models, but my model has the number plate bigger than the spot where it's supposed to go. Next we have this grille, which is not perforated. Next on the side we have the wheels, pretty decent wheels. I don't really like the brake disc, but I like the brake caliper, which is painted green and has the Porsche logo on it. Also have the GT3 logo there on the center wheel and also on the door. The wheel in the back. Next in the back we have this huge spoiler, just like the real model. Also we have the GT3 logo there and the license plate. The stop lights look quite good. And we have this diffuser with the black exhaust tips. Let's look in the trunk. Not many details, only these grills here, which are not perforated. Here you can see why it's produced by Maisto. Let's look at the interior. One good thing is we have windows, side windows. For Maisto, it's quite a good thing. See the interior, pretty decent interior. I think it looks quite good. We have a few details in the interior. Also we have the roll cage in the back. We have a sticker on the display as well. I think it looks quite good for a Maisto. Please tell me in the comments what do you think about the model. I think it's quite good considering it's a Maisto model. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.